How to write inside pre-made cards using Cricut Maker. Step 1. First place the pre-made card onto the cutting machine and measure it with tape horizontally and vertical. Step 2. Now in Cricut DesignSpace click on Text tool and type up the text. Step 3. Click on the font drop-down menu, then search and select a font to use. Step 4. Click on the Shapes tool and select a square. Step 5. Unlock the square by clicking on the padlock button in the toolbar, then resize it to the card size. Step 6. Lock the shape by clicking on the padlock button, then click on the Operation drop-down menu and select Pen. Step 7. Go ahead and click on Shapes again and select Scoreline. Step 8. Drag the score line across the card template and resize it. Step 9. Next select both the layers, click Align and select Center. Step 10. Grab the text, resize it, then drag it over the card template. Step 11. Zoom in and move the text around to center it. Step 12. Once you're happy with the design, select the score line and delete it, as there's already a score line in the pre-made card. Step 13. Select the template, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operation section and change the color. Step 14. Select all the layers of the design, then click Attach on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 15. Go ahead and click on Make It, then click Continue. Step 16. Wait for it to connect to your machine and select Heavy Cardstock material. Step 17. Go to your machine and open Clampa, then insert the pen and close it. Step 18. Load the cutting mat into the machine by pressing the up and down arrow button. Step 19. Then press the blinking C button to start cutting. Step 20. Once it's done, unload the mat and peel off the card from the mat. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.